Hello and welcome back to my channel, everyone. It is your girl Cassandra Olivia, and I'm doing this voiceover at 1:40 in the morning because I am clearly a psychopath. And no, I'm just kidding. I can't sleep, and it's mostly because I have my client Shakira coming in today. If you guys know Shakira, she's been coming to me for about 6 years now. She's gotten blue hair. We did black. We did purple, and today we're doing green, and I'm so excited. So I'm up because I cannot wait for her ass to come in at 9 o'clock. So I decided to edit this video, and without further ado, if you are new here, please make sure you hit that subscribe button. And if you are not new, thank you so much for coming back. Make sure to hit me on Instagram and TikTok. Your girl is like the old auntie on TikTok, so follow me on my socials at _Cassandra Olivia. And without further ado, let's get into this freaking tutorial, which is why you clicked the video. In today's video, I have my lovely client Diamond. She's been coming to me for a couple of years now, maybe like 3 years now. Oh my god! But she's amazing. Initially, she started coming in to get silk presses, and then over time, she ended up trusting me enough to cut her hair. So we done a couple of haircuts, a trim, and today she's coming in to get her haircut again, just because it's been a while. So all I'm going to be doing in here today is the silk pressing her hair. I just want to show you guys behind the scenes, and then also the shrinkage is real. She has so much beautiful hair, but I need to get this video out because I need to make sure I have enough storage in my phone for Shakira. I have been not slacking because behind the scenes I've been doing a lot, but I've been doing a lot. Like, I'm guest speaking at Paul Mitchell this month. I'm so excited. I'm a little bit nervous, on a date, kind of nervous, but I'm ready to step out of my comfort zone, and literally I've been telling you guys to do so, and it is time. So stay tuned. And yeah, so I'm just going in, and that turned into a mini rant, and I'm detangling Diamond's hair, and then I'm just gonna go in with my spray bottle. I showed you guys the product in the beginning that I used. It was just the leaf and flower molecular oil. So I'm just applying that on her hair to make sure that she does not have any heat damage. So I'm just showing this slightly sped up, but you just want to go in whenever you're doing a natural hair client. My voice is cracking. Whenever you're doing a natural hair client, you just want to go in and make sure that you detangle the hair thoroughly. You also want to keep a spray bottle handy just to make sure that if you need to resaturate the hair, it is easy to do so. And you just want to make sure that you take your time and take sections that are comfortable for you and your client, okay? So always consult with them. Ask them, are you being too rough? Is everything okay? Is the temperature of the dryer okay? So on and so forth. And you just want to make sure that your client is comfortable, because a happy client is a return client, okay? So we want to make sure that the service is good. So I'm just going to blow Diamond out, and then I'll pop back on here in just a few. And you guys already know, I'll link everything that I'm using in her hair down below in the description box as well. So be sure to check that out. And yeah.
Crown, that's a jam.
Okay, so I didn't want to bore you guys to death, so I only did a few sections of her hair showing you guys the blow dry, just because I feel like once you do one section, you pretty much repeat the steps throughout the hair. Pretty self-explanatory, but I just wanted to show you guys that the blow dry is one of the most important parts of the service, as well as the shampoo. You guys know that. So make sure that you are taking your time, you're using good products, and you are really doing the best service that you can, okay? This makes a huge difference, and if you get the hair straight as possible in the blow dry, it'll make it so much easier for the press, so that way you don't have to go over the hair a million times and cause heat damage, okay? So in this video, I'm also using my custom flat irons. You guys ask me all the time. I have 16 left, and I honestly think after these are gone, I'm probably just not going to sell them anymore, just because you guys did y'all big one. Y'all sold me out a few times already on my website. I brought them back, but it's just like I'm on a different wave now. Like I'm just on a different wave, so I'm debating on it. But I think after this last 16, I'm actually going to be like done with it. And then I have, of course, the one set aside for my PR and my members, so that's still coming as well. So just stay tuned. But yeah, I'm just going in, blow drying her hair. I'm using the Paul Mitchell 427 paddle brush. I'm also using my Rust Speed Freak blow dryer. You guys know I love this. And again, I'm just going in with the leaf and flower molecular oil. Do you have to use that? No, you can literally use whatever you want. If you've been following me on my channel for a while, you guys know I switch my heat protectant every so often. But you just want to make sure that you're ultimately protecting your client's scalp, and also, you know, adding some shine, preventing frizz and all that good jazz. So I'm just going to continue to blow dry. After this section, I promise you guys I'm almost done, and then we will get into the fun part.
That's what smoke, boy. 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 That's what's so bright. That's what's so bright. That's what's so bright. That's what's so
I'm over here sounding so manly in the morning. Like I literally just got up. I accidentally fell asleep early and then woke up extra early, but I just decided to wake up and literally just do my voiceover. So if y'all catching me sounding kind of manly-ish, I apologize, but I literally just woke up and was like, let me get this voiceover done because I need to get rid of this video content. And then here is her hair blown out. Look at how nice and long and healthy her hair is. Like, stop playing with her, okay? I do all of the girls who are into hair care and not just hairstyle, and I really just love the clientele that I attract. These women are amazing. We come from all different walks of life, but the fact that they choose me to be their stylist means the world to me. And literally, once I get a client one time, 9 times out of 10, they come back and we're locked in for years. So a lot of these clients you'll see come for the first time. If you scroll down my page, you'll see like, oh wait, they've been coming for a minute now. So now I'm going in, with my Laid Hair Care product, and I'm just squeezing a little bit of that serum on the hair. This is a heat protectant. I just put this in to add a little bit of shine and also to ensure that the hair is protected when I go in to curl it for the second step. So I'm doing this before I press her hair, my bad, but I'm all over the place. This is why I can't do voiceovers at 1 a.m., okay? Clearly, I need to lay back down. But I went ahead and put in the Laid Hair Care serum. Shout out to Kayla. She is amazing. She is a Black young entrepreneur. Just somebody that I look up to, even though I just met her. Not really met her, but I just met her online. And her vibe and just her drive already, like, is so motivational. So I am cheering for you, girl, from one Black girl to another. Like, I'm here for it. So recently, I've been using just this Laid Hair Care product, and I really like it. And guys, look at this shine. That with my flat irons, they are ceramic. They heat up to 480. What else? Like, they have an ionic generator, so that way they help to prevent frizz and add shine. And if you guys don't believe me, literally watch all my videos on my channel for the last 2-3 years. Every single one has been used with my flat iron. Every single one. Literally every single video. So look at that shine. This is real time. So I'm just gonna go in and finish pressing her hair out. And again, like I said, once I'm done, I'm just gonna go in and cut her hair, clean up her ends, because it has been a while. I think it's been about maybe 7 months since we did her last haircut. So it's definitely due time. So she just told me, like, you know what, go in, do what you need to do. She trusts me fully at this point. So I told her, like, I'm gonna record you, of course. And she's amazing. She always lets me record. My clients are just a vibe. Like, they get me. So I'm just going in and I'm just trimming her up. And then once I'm done, I'm going to pull everything out at a 90-degree angle and then just go in and kind of customize it based off of her hair shape. We want to go for length, but we also want to go for health. So that's the way that I do my haircuts. But again, do what works for you and your client. Then after this, I'm just going to throw in a couple of her curls and then just show you guys the end result. Really simple, nothing too intricate. Again, like I said, I'm just trying to get this out there just because I have probably 20 other videos I recorded last month, and I'm just on my way to edit those for Instagram and Facebook and TikTok and now, here. So your girl's been putting in the work behind the scenes. Also, we just hit 77K on Instagram, which is crazy because we just hit 75K not even a week ago. So y'all starting to catch on to your girl on the gram, and I'm appreciating it. So thank you guys. So if you can just go there, follow me on my social media, it would mean the world to me because your girl be working hard. So this is how her hair looked after the cut. Look at how healthy, how even. I just wanted you guys to kind of see it raw in its raw form. Again, just me, real time, just showing you the shine on her hair. And then I'm just going to go in with the same flat irons. I'm guiding it down the hair the way that I am because I don't want to mess the logo up. So I kind of just twist it around the opposite side through the middle of the iron so that way the logo is untouched because you don't want it to fade with the heat and then wrapping it around. So just be careful of that, guys, if you do purchase one of these. And yeah, I'm just going to curl her up. Nothing too difficult. And then I'm going to spray her with some Cassandra Olivia, just like a light hold, just so that way her curls can hold. I'm going to run my fingers through and we are pretty much good to go. So if you made it this far, congratulations, because I was struggling on this voiceover. But y'all, that's why That's why I love y'all. I be telling my friends like, yo, I don't overthink YouTube. I just do me and hop off. And I think that's what really resonates with y'all, because I'm not somebody that's going to be on here trying to be perfect all the time. Like, I very much mess up. I very much am a very normal person. And I feel like sometimes we get caught up in the hype of like social media and followers and all that. And it's not that serious. Like, it's never that serious. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope everybody has a wonderful and productive February 2nd and a wonderful and productive month. It's Valentine's Day month. Like, I'm going on vacation next month. I'm just so hyped. Like, it's a vibe. My nephew's gonna be turning, oh my god, is he gonna be 3? Oh my god, what? He's gonna be 3. That's crazy. But yeah, anyway, thank you guys so much for watching, and I can't wait to show you guys what is in store with this color for Shakira. When I tell you I can't wait to post it, like, I'm gonna probably try to edit it tonight. But thank you guys for watching, and drop a comment down below if you like. Drop a comment down below if you like this video. And thank you guys. I know I'm on my goofy mode today, so disregard. I promise y'all, this is probably my last voiceover at 1 a.m. because it's just it's 1 a.m. in, okay? And I hope everybody has a wonderful day, and I'll catch y'all later. Bye.